Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon, investors. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the TMP group. My name is Tom. Today is November the 11th, 2021. And I want to take a little step away from our normal investment stock overview and stock projections and talk about some cryptocurrency, specifically Dogecoin. So this video will cover Dogecoin, where it's at right now, how it got there, and where we think that the price suggests that it could be moving right now. Before I jump into it, just to cover some bases, this is for entertainment purposes only. TMP Group and its traders are not licensed brokers. I am not a financial advisor, and this information is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. So do your own due diligence, your own homework. Try to figure out what's best for you before you make any investment. And I do want to say Happy Veterans Day. Wish all of our veterans a very special Happy Veterans Day. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your dedication and your sacrifice. Not only you, but your families as well. It's a great country we live in. It's a great world we live in and a great time we live in, specifically for cryptocurrency. I was talking to one of the traders earlier today. And I reminded him that no matter where we are on the platform right now, the train is still at the station. We haven't missed the train. We can always average in. The train's moving slow enough right now that we can still buy in. And we were talking about Bitcoin and how to get to a full coin if we're not already there. Just to chunk it off one piece at a time. Set a goal for yourself. If your goal is 10%, then buy 10%. If your goal is 15, add another 5% and keep doing that. Dollar cost averaging in, eventually hit there to the goal of one Bitcoin. We know there's a limited supply in Bitcoin, and that there will only be a certain number of Bitcoin that's produced. So if you own Bitcoin, a full Bitcoin, you'll be 1 in 21 million. So it's kind of a nice thing to aspire to. If you own 10, then it's lights out once this thing gets up to 100,000, 150,000, 200,000. Right now, we can only go off of the current prices. And so I don't want to talk a whole lot more about Bitcoin. I do want to talk about Dogecoin. And it may surprise some of you that I'm talking about Dogecoin. Dogecoin's been kind of a sleeper. If you're new to cryptocurrency, that's okay. Just to give you some information on Dogecoin, Dogecoin has been around since 2013. It kind of started as a joke. And it's been a hot topic thanks to celebrities like Elon Musk. Tweeting about it and commenting on it. Dogecoin rapidly became a prominent cryptocurrency option thanks to the dedicated community and creative memes. Unlike other cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, there is no limit to the number of Dogecoin that can be creative. So that leaves the currency susceptible to devaluation as the supply does increase. Now, that doesn't mean that they won't put a cap on it and start making it deflationary currency, but right now there is no limit to the amount of Dogecoin that can be created. Dogecoin's price, to give you some history, in 2017 was 0.0002, so that's 0.3 zeros and a 2. In October, at the end of October 29th, 2021, Dogecoin was at 0.29, so 0.29, almost 145,000% increase. That's a huge increase. Why is this such a volatile coin? Because it's cheap, let's face it. Very easy for someone to average into it. You don't have to have a lot of money to put into it. You don't have to be a whale to get into it. And you can see massive gains. And that's what we're looking for here at the TMP Group, is capitalize on massive gains. So let's jump right into today's topic. Dogecoin, don't sleep on Dogecoin. I've been saying this for a while. Don't sleep on Dogecoin. TMP Group, our highest crypto holding is in Ethereum. Number 2 is going to be Bitcoin. And then it's kind of split between Cardano and some other coins. We do have a solid, strong position in Dogecoin. A little history on what we've done with Dogecoin. Back in, it was probably July of 2020, we bought 111,000 coin at 0.003446. So we were doing pretty good. It was 2 zeros and a 3446. Unfortunately, we sold in February, on February the 6th to be exact, for 0.09. Did we crush our investment? Yes, we did. Did we leave a lot of money on the table? Absolutely. Are we going to do that this time? No, we're not. We've subsequently bought back in. The TMP current average cost is 0.232559 with that same 111,000 share or coin. So we don't have a huge stake in it, but we have enough to make a difference. We want to see this thing get up as high as it can, and here we go. So we think that Dogecoin, the price right now provides a perfect opportunity for about a 50% breakout. And I'm going to quote a little bit from an article from FX Street that they published today on November the 11th, 2021. And they're saying that Dogecoin price is forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which suggests a 53% breakout move. 53% on your money. A confirmation of this upswing arrives after Doge produces a daily close above 0.30. So it's hit 0.30, 0.31, 0.32, but it hasn't closed above 0.30 and held 0.30. I personally think it needs to hold a 0.31. Now, if the selling pressure pushes the meme coin to produce a low below 0.021, mind you, it's trading right now at a 0.26, but if it closes at a 0.21, then it will invalidate the bullish thesis that we have on it. So Dogecoin price is stuck under a crucial barrier for roughly 5 months. And although Doge rallied in October on the 28th, it failed to push through the hurdle, leading to consolidation. However, the increased coiling up, that's when a stock trades sideways. And they say longer the base, the higher the space. So the increased coiling up suggests that the dog-themed currency is due for a breakout, and we want to be in front of this breakout. Now, Dogecoin price could trigger a massive bull rally. The price is set up or has set up 3 swing lows since August 16th, resulting in the formation of an inverse head and shoulders. So the technical formation contains 2 swing lows of comparable depth, forming the shoulders, with the central one slightly deeper than the others, and that's what's known as a head. So we have my shoulders and we have my head, right? Now inverse that, turn it upside down. So these lows right here are of comparable depth, and then the head is much lower, but then it comes back up to the shoulder. And so that's known as an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now, if we connect the peaks for the swing low results in a neckline that serves as resistance barrier, that helps us confirm the breakout. Although Dogecoin price came close to breaking the neckline on November 8th, it failed. Okay, the setup forecasts a 53% breakout to 45 cents. So 0.45 US dollars, determined by adding the distance between the right shoulder's peak, the head, and then the left shoulder's peak, the lowest point. A daily close above 28.28 would theoretically confirm a break and the start of a 53% upswing. So investors should wait for a higher high above 30, in my opinion, for the opening of a resistance-free path for Doge to liquidity pool ranging from 34 cents to 37 cents. So those are key levels that we're going to look at: 0.34, 0.37. Once we clear that pit stop, it's going to allow the price of Doge to head higher and produce a swing high of 0.45. So our target price on Doge, once it clears the 0.30, 0.31 and closes there and holds, and then we see it go into a channel between 34 and 37 cents, then we will have a price target of 45 cents. Now, this all could go the opposite way. There's no question. But in total, if the ascent from the current position were to go to 45 cents, we'd be at a 65% increase. Now, things do look up for Dogecoin, but a daily close below 0.21, so that's where we want to watch out for, is a 21 cent close. Between 21 and 26. So we're at 26 right now. We want to watch it and monitor it, make sure that if it's decreasing, 25, 24 is kind of a yellow zone. 23, 22 becomes a red zone. 21 becomes a zone that we don't want to see because we believe that the price could further descend down to 19 cents or 0.19. There's obvious risk and obvious reward. Let's take a look at it. At 0.26 or 26 cents right now, if Dogecoin were to drop to 0.19 or 19 cents, that's a 7-cent drop. We don't want to see that. Now, if Dogecoin goes from 0.26 up to 0.40 and we don't hit the price target of 0.45, we're looking at a 50+% return on our money. And if Bitcoin or if Dogecoin is able to hit that 0.45, remember, after the resistance of 0.31, 0.34, and 0.37, that's what we want to watch for the ladder. Then we're looking at about a 70% increase if we pick up from 26 cents to 45 cents. It's a 19-cent increase. So if we have $1,000 vested in there, at a 73% increase, we made $730. If we have $10,000 in there, we made $7,300. If we have $100,000 there, we make $73,000. Again, it doesn't matter where you're invested or how you're invested. Just get invested. Invest in yourself. Bet on yourself. Bet on your future. Okay? We at TMP are long-term holders. We're not swing traders. However, opportunity comes up, we're not going to be foolish. We're going to make our moves. Get in and get out where we can. For the most part, we like to hold over 5 years, zoom out on a chart, and see what this asset is giving us. With cryptocurrency, it might be a little bit different. Now, let's talk real quick about cryptocurrency. I trade my cryptocurrency personally on Coinbase. Coinbase has it at 0.26 right now as I'm looking at it. Has a market cap of $34.5 billion. A circulating supply at 132 billion. So there's 132 billion Dogecoin circulating right now. It's trading activity, which measures the average of buyers versus sellers. It's in favor of the buyers, 56.4% or 0.6%, 56.6 versus 44.4% sellers. Typical hold time is up to 44 days, so people are holding on to this. And it is number 13 in popularity on Coinbase. Now, overall in market cap, Bitcoin comes in at number 10. So, do we have a bull case for Bitcoin? We absolutely believe that we do. We definitely missed out on the run when we bought it at 0.303446 and sold later for 0.09. Had we held those shares, we would have been much more profitable than we are right now. But we're doing okay. Like I said, our current position is 0.232559 overall. Personally, 111,000 shares held. And I'm looking for this to get up to a price point of 0.31. I will add to it at 0.31, looking for a breakout of 0.45. That's what I got for you today. I am going to cover Bitcoin tomorrow. There's some big news that's coming up on the 14th. VanEck Bitcoin Spot ETF will either get approved or get denied. I did average up a little bit in Bitcoin today, purchased some more, and in anticipation that the Spot ETF will get approved. If it does, we should get a nice run in Bitcoin. If it does not, then we'll get a drop. But I'm a long-term holder in Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin, Ethereum, and your top 5 cryptocurrency or coins, including Cardano, Solana, I do believe that these coins have wealth built into them over the long term, and they can create generational wealth. And really, that's what it's all about, you guys. For us, it's about creating wealth, not only for us, but for our posterity, our kids' kids, so on and so forth. If you like the video today, please hit the like button. If you want to subscribe to the channel to get updates, hit subscribe, share it with friends, share it with family. Last but not least, let's make our money work for us. We go to bed at night, money's working. Wake up, money's working. Come home from work, money brings us friends home with it. Invest in yourself, bet on yourself, bet on the future. Till the next video, we hope you have a fantastic day. Again, happy Veterans Day, and we'll see you on the next one.